The following video will show you how to operate the dishwasher, which can be found underneath the draining board. The capsules for the dishwasher are located underneath the sink. To open the dishwasher, simply give the door a light pull. Once the dishwasher is loaded, place the capsule into the compartment and close the lid. To power the dishwasher, simply press the power button for 1 second. This will illuminate the display and allow you to choose your required program. Once your program has been selected, simply close the door and this will activate the dishwasher.